A quick look at this 2 pasta cooker set. Good luck trying to get the 2 pieces separated. I tried for a few minutes, and now I have somebody trying to help me out here. Maybe I should have put them in the freezer or something, but anyway, there you have it. Good luck trying to get those things separated. They're like Siamese twins. This also comes with measuring devices, so you can measure your pasta. It does come with a pasta cooker guide and cooking time guide. There's a lid for each one of these, and even cooking instructions that I cut out of the outside packaging to store in one of the cookers, so that I can store this one in the other cooker. So there is a quick look-see at what you get. But again, be ready to find an Adonis or a Zeus to get these 2 things apart.
All right, we've had this in for, we put it in for 11 minutes. It said 10 to 12. And so we're looking to see, it just went off. Let's see how it is. If I look, it looks like it's still boiling. It is boiling in there. So we're going to take it out carefully. And now we'll put the lid on. See how this works. That's really handy to be able to dump it out like that. So far, no burns. No problem. Works well. All right. Now the real test. There it is. It looks like it's all well cooked. And we'll test it. The consistency looks right. That's pretty nice.
Are you ready?
I'm doing it.
Okay, here we are. Are you doing it with sound?
No, I don't do sound.
Okay. Just a tiny tad more.